So number one, it is a disease because the largest organization of the world, WHO, classifies this as a disease.
Okay.
So WHO says obesity is a disease. It is a disease, right? Number one, headaches. Diabetes. 80% of obese people will get diabetes, right? Hypertension, retinal impairment, carotid में atherosclerosis plaque होना, नीचे आ जाओ हार्ट में कार्डियोमायोपैथी होना, CAD होना, एंजियोपैथी होना, किडनीज पे इफेक्ट होना, लंग्स पे इफेक्ट होना, इनफर्टिलिटी। समझ सके कि मोटापा हो क्यों रहा है और सबके मोटापे के कारण अलग होंगे।
Correct.
सिर्फ like what you said, right? Eating is just one bit of it, right? Now I don't remember any one patient coming to me and saying, I eat a lot so I'm obese. Never, never, right? They always say, मैं तो सिर्फ 2 रोटी खाता हूँ, 2 ये करता हूँ. They will, so no one really accepts that they overeat.
Okay.
Number one, it's like saying, if you ask someone who's met with an accident, will he ever say, I was drunk and watching my phone, I was driving fast, met with an accident?
Nobody.
Never.
Nobody will.
No one will accept it.
Exactly.
Similarly, eating is just one bit of it. There is a lot more to it than just eating.
Sir, there are times when people don't, like you rightfully said, कि लोग नहीं मानते हैं इस चीज को कि ये इसका कारण है. Genetics involved, environmental factors involved, the kind of generation that we are a part of now, because you know we live in the era of these smartphones. Everything is available on a 7-inch or a 14-inch screen.
Oh, absolutely.
And you know, all of these slangs that come into the market when people say, oh, we are the Gen Zs or the baby boomers or the millennials of the world. हम लोग ये बात भूल जाते हैं कि genetics का, lifestyle का, environmental factors का कितना बड़ा रोल है और कैसे लोग susceptible हुए जा रहे हैं towards obesity. तो उस पे अगर we can shed some light upon this.
So number one, if you see, genetics plays extremely important role because इसको समझना बड़ा आसान होगा कि आप एक घर को ले लीजिए. एक घर में एक माँ बाप के 2 बच्चे. तो जेनेटिक्स सिमिलर हुए, नहीं है,
सिमिलर हुए.
नाउ जेनेटिक्स सेम होना और उन जीन्स का एक्सप्रेशन आप पे होना और मेरे पे होना अलग है.
करेक्ट.
राइट. सो जेनेटिक मैटर, उनका एक्सप्रेशन. सेकेंडली, एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स. एक ही घर में एक खाना बनता है, दोनों सेम खाना खाते हैं, राइट, बट एक मोटापे से पीड़ित हो जाता है, एक दूसरा नहीं होता. सो देयर आर एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स. नाउ एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स कुड बी हाउ यू यूटिलाइज योर एनर्जी, राइट, हाउ एक्टिव यू आर, or the type of food that you eat. Also, normally food in terms of lunch, breakfast, dinner doesn't cause obesity as such. It is the snacking which is important. हम उसको नहीं मानते.
Correct.
हमने चाय पी, चाय के साथ 3 बिस्किट खाए, वो तो कुछ भी नहीं था ना. वो तो मैं सुबह उठ के मैंने 3 बिस्किट खा लिए. उसको कोई नहीं गिनेगा. Without realizing, to burn those 3 biscuits, you need to run for 5 kilometers. To burn 3 biscuits, you need to run for 5 kilometers. So वो एक्सेस कैलोरी क्या हुई? जमा हो गई. उसके अलावा जो अब और न्यू रिसर्च इज जस्ट द ऑपोजिट. मोटापा कॉजेज पीसीओडी. पीसीओडी डजंट कॉज मोटापा, राइट, बट हम आपको एक एक्सक्यूज मिल गया. सेकंड एक्सक्यूज, मेरे को थायराइड है इसलिए मैं मोटा हो गया. थायराइड डजंट कॉज ओबेसिटी. ओनली एक्सट्रीम ऑफ हाइपरथायराइडोसिकोसिस और hypothyroidism can cause obesity. So largely less than 5% of your overweight is attributable to thyroid. Rest is your eating. So genetics, presentation of the genetics, or expressions of the gene, your hormonal imbalance, the type of physical activity that you do, the type of food that you eat, the gut microbiome, all these are small things which make a lot of difference. Along with that, जैसे hormones होते हैं, किसी कोई लोग, suppose हम दोनों बैठे हैं, maybe अगर हम रोज 4 गुलाब जामुन खाएं, maybe you will gain 2 kgs in 2 weeks, I'll gain nothing. So how much do you burn at rest? The BMR. So some people are natural burners. They will utilize higher energy than the other person.
Correct.
So even if you're eating the same food, same environment, same exercise, you may still get obese if your metabolic rate is slightly slow. And then there are again so many other factors which can increase or decrease your metabolic rate. So these are broadly few things that one should understand, that motapa is not just eating more. It has all these important factors.
Sir, one more thing that I really want to follow up on is the lifestyle. Sir, before I move towards our next segment, that's actually about, busting some myths about obesity. One personal question, and this is actually when I personally observe the society that is around me. We don't realize this very often, हम जब अपने घर में भी होते हैं, हम ऐसे किसी फ्रेंड सर्कल में भी होते हैं, एक सेफ स्पेस में होते हैं, पीपल हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ फैट शेमिंग, यू नो, देयर फ्रेंड्स. कभी कभार वो उसका इम्पैक्ट शायद हमें रियलाइज नहीं होता है. काफी सारे इंडिविजुअल्स को भी शायद वो नहीं कर पाते हैं उस टाइम पे. उन्हें लगता है दोस्ती तो बोल रहा है, फैमिली तो बोल रही है. बट साइकोलॉजिकली इट ऑल्सो हैज अ वेरी पिवटल रोल.
Oh yes, absolutely.
And nobody really talks about it because ऐसा लगता है कि यार, oh, he's just my friend, oh, he's my family member, he's roasting us. So everyone's talk about the medical aspect of it, how it can be, you know, cured, how it can be diagnosed, but nobody really actually talks about
The
psychological
emotional
impacts
Oh, absolutely.
and the emotional setback it gives to an individual, and he feels like ये हो गया मेरे साथ. But वो बहुत late realize हो रहा है.
50% of people who are obese suffer with depression,
Hmm.
right? And depression itself can cause obesity because you go into binge eating, right?
Correct.
Our satiety center and our depression center in the brain are close knit, right? So when we are feeling depressed, you tend to eat more.
Yeah.
So obesity also causes depression, and depression itself can cause obesity because you would not want to go out. Social, when you go out, and it's not just your family or friends. Imagine you go for a parent-teacher meeting, and a school's kid, and his friends keep on saying, "उसके पापा कितने मोटे देखा तूने?" And that's truth. So these people, they stop socializing sometimes.
Correct.
Right? They don't want to go out because they understand, यार स्कूल में मेरे बच्चे के फ्रेंड्स उसको चिढ़ाएंगे कि उसका बाप या उसका मामा मोटी है. So that's a big problem. Air travel. When you're going on air travel, probably you will not sit in an economy seat. Why? Because you will not fit into that.
Yeah.
Second, asking for an additional belt. Ma'am, can I have a belt?
People get a little hesitant
Right?
about
Going for shopping. Do you have 7XL with you? Do you have 4XL with you? Right?
Correct.
So these are social stigma. ये तो बहुत बड़ी बात होगी अपने आप में. Tying your shoelace.
Yeah.
Right? Cleaning yourself after going to the washroom. Bathing. Right? Sitting on a small chair where you go out and you don't have a heavy chair. And then suddenly say, will this take my weight? Right? So social shaming, yes, it comes. And but that's the society that we live in.
Yeah.
Right? And so I'm not saying it's good. It's extremely bad to shame someone in terms of physical appearance. But if someone does, I think it can be converted into a positive feedback from the other person. If someone says you're mota, right? I think it's time that you do a cross check, go figure out your BMI and say, oh yeah, he was probably right. And again, the same thing, acceptance.
Yeah.
So realize it, accept it, go for the remedy. So that's what should be done.
Correct. What's your take on that?
Oh, absolutely not. We did a recent study and we found out about 3 to 7% of urban school kids were obese, right? So it is not. I have operated on kids who are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, right? Other thing is 30% of parents suffering from obesity will have obese kids. So it runs in families too.
Yeah.
Number one. And second, now today's era, you see a lot of kids, teenagers between 16, 17, 19 and then early 20s coming out with obesity. I think one thing is, of course, the food to blame. Second is no time. Third is the real life. And so